We'll guide you through how to make line curve in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the home screen appears, tap the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen. A project settings window will appear, allowing you to customize the project. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside your new project, tap the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu containing different layer types will appear. From the available options, select Vector Drawing. After opening the Vector Drawing tool, place 2 points anywhere on the canvas. You can position them close together or farther apart depending on the shape and size of the curve you want to create. Next, select the first point of the line. On the editing panel, locate the graph settings and enable them. Turning on the graph option allows you to adjust the curve handles attached to the point. After enabling the graph setting, drag the curve handles to begin shaping the line. Continue adjusting the handles until the curve matches the style you want. Once the curve looks the way you want, open the Color and Fill menu for the vector shape and turn off the Fill option. Next, open the Border and Shadow section. Turn on the Stroke option to make the line visible. After enabling the stroke, choose a color that fits your design. After selecting the stroke color, adjust the stroke thickness to control how thick or thin the line appears. Increase the thickness for a bold line or decrease it for a cleaner and more subtle appearance. Preview your project to ensure the curve looks correct. Once you are satisfied with the result, you have successfully created a curved line in Alight Motion.